Hello guys, we're screen recording now, and let's play. Let's go here and let's go to. You can also find McDonald's. And Brent gonna laugh. But I don't laugh. You laughed there when nagpaiwan ka dito. You cannot ask me to McDonald's. Tingnan mo. Tingnan to. Sige ya. Sige ya. Oo, muna ko. Ulitin natin. Tingnan mo.
I'm so in love with French fries. I'm so in love with. Now we get the deal. We did it.
Ito you guys. Oo. I eat for hours, telling other workers, give me cheeseburger.
You can ask the man. Is a Bugatti and I want a Bugatti.
Sit down. Sige nga, panoodin mo.
I used to be Woody is eating. It's already now, but really I'm so in love with.
Tapos, nakita mo yun? Nakita mo yun?
I eat for hours, telling the workers, give me cheeseburger. Routine like French
Panoodin,
fries.
mamaya ka
I'm
na
so in
manood ako.
love with.
Wait lang, bye-bye guys. I-edit muna natin to. Yan. Bye-bye guys, that's all for today.